Hello everyone, welcome back to EduTap. I hope you guys are absolutely doing good and you all are safe and healthy also. So today I am about to launch the RBI Grade B Phase 2 2024 crash course provided by EduTap. Okay. Now before I come to the details of this particular crash course, allow me to have some more discussion regarding our present situation. Okay. Now I would categorize all the students into three categories. Okay, I will categorize all the students who have given the phase 1 of RBI into three categories. The category number 1 is like those students who are like completely 100% sure that we will clear the phase 1 of RBI grade B exam. Like these students are those who are scoring well above 90 marks, who are well in the comfortable zone. So if you are into category number 1, like you are 100% sure that your phase 1 will be cleared up, then please prepare for phase 2 immediately. Do not even waste any amount of time, be it minutes, be it seconds, or be it hours. Do not waste any time, because the real selection, whether you will be selected in RBI or not, will depend upon phase 2 and as well as on your interview preparation. So the real game starts from phase 2, because phase 2 is a merit section. Okay, so category number 1 students, please prepare and do not waste any time right now for RBI Grade B Phase 2. And yes, over here I'm not selling my course of EduTap. Over here I'm just letting you know that if you want to purchase the course for Phase 2 preparation, then EduTap is just one option. If you want to purchase it, depending upon our results, if you want to see the course material, take your final decision after that only. Okay, so this is regarding category number 1 student. Now let's move to category number 2 students. Category number 2 students are those students who are confused, and majority of students will fall into category number 2 only. Okay, so if you are confused right now, I would say yourself, then please wait for the result. Okay, please wait for the result and then only enroll yourself into any course for phase 2. Okay, although you might miss certain days of preparation, to compensate it, please do self preparation. Please do self preparation. Like you can read newspaper, you can read the current affairs stuff which you have done in your phase 1 also related to schemes and report, because schemes and report will be repeated in your phase 2 as well. Okay, so if you are confused right now, then I will advise you to please do not go towards any course, rather do self preparation. That will help you a lot. You can also read newspaper, you can also go towards PIB, whatever source you have with you. Okay, and yes, if you are coming from the third category, like you are totally, your phase 1 was not good due to n number of reasons, then I will advise you to prepare for the next exam. Okay, IDDI is about to come, or although it is already out, but you have to prepare it. Okay, IFSCA phase 2 is about to happen. Multiple exams will also happen. Once you are like totally out of the race of RBI, there is no need to go into the shell. Rather, chin your up, make your chin up and prepare confidently for the next exam. Simple. Okay, so over here again, I'm not prescribing any course, rather I'm launching the course of EduTap and I'm not a salesman. Okay, so now allow me to move ahead. This is what we have done our so far discussion. Now if you want to enroll into any course for phase 2, then EduTap is just one option. In this particular phase 2 crash course, you will get daily targets. Okay, you will get daily live classes, you will also get daily doubt resolutions, and you will also get the revision material. Like the best thing is that you will get the live classes. Okay, live classes means that a teacher will come to teach you directly. Okay, teacher will teach you. If you are getting any doubt, then you can ask your doubt to the teacher hand to hand. Okay, plus it is also possible that teacher will give you certain homework like the quizzes to practice. The more you practice, the better you become, right? So you will get a holistic coverage in this particular course. Okay, by holistic I mean that you will get an entire ecosystem. Like you will get mock test to practice, you will get revision material which is downloadable as well. You will also get many other stuff which can leverage your score in phase 2. And please remember that in phase 2, you do not have to think about cutoff, you have to score as high as possible. As high as possible, because phase 2 is a merit section and not a qualifying section. Okay, so this is regarding the phase 2 of EduTap. When I come to the multiple of the components, like over here, if you see, multiple components will be provided to you which will cater to all the needs of phase 2. First, you will get the current affairs. Okay, current affairs, be it schemes tab, all the important schemes, reports tab, you will also get that also. You will also get the necessary documents related to budget and economic survey. Okay, in current affairs also you will get live practice classes, monthly compilation and practice MCQs, because the more you practice, the better you become. Okay. In finance and management, you will get live practice classes. You will get solve previous year questions chapter wise, so that you can come to know that whether this chapter is important or not. And solve previous year questions will leverage your confidence also. Suppose you have attended the live class of motivation chapter. Okay, now it's your responsibility to go home and to practice multiple MCQs and solve previous year questions. Once you are able to solve all the previous year questions of RBI Grade B, definitely your confidence will increase. You will also get summary sheets or summary notes, and these are downloadable. You can download it, take a print of it, and revise n number of times. You will also get model question and answer. Model question answer is that particular document which will help you to increase your score in the descriptive writing. Okay, like see in FM, in ESI, and in your descriptive English paper, we all have multiple of descriptive writing to do. So this particular component, which is model Q&A document, will help you to write good answers. Okay, it's like a kind of a practice document. A question will be given to you and a model answer will also be given to you. So it's like you see the question, you write it by yourself first, and then you compare your answer with the answer which is given in the model Q&A document. It's like you will increase your writing skill with the help of model Q&A document. Same deliverables, live practice classes, solve previous year questions, summary notes, model Q&A, and practice MCQs will be available to you in ESI also, which is your economic and social issues. In your descriptive English, you will get live practice classes, model Q&A, and essay fodder material. Okay, like essay fodder material basically means all the hot important topics, be it related to health, be it related to employment, be it related to monetary policy functions. So you will get certain fodder material which you can incorporate in your answers. Then you will also get full length mock test for phase 2. Okay, you will get 5 full length mock tests, and mind you, we will evaluate your answers, we will send you the feedback also, and yes, mentorship will always be available to you. Okay, so this is regarding the brief structure of the course. Now allow me to move ahead. When it comes to our team of phase 2, when it comes to our team for phase 2, me and Jaskaran sir will be available with you. Me and Jaskaran sir will be available with you for finance and management. Kritika ma'am will be there for ESI. Narveer sir will be there for your English descriptive. English descriptive. Anchit sir and Vishnu sir are there always, are always with you regarding your mentorship. Gurkirat sir and Devanshu sir will be available for you for current affairs. Okay, because current affairs are asked in your ESI paper also and in your finance and management paper also. Okay, so we have a dedicated team which will help you to score as high as possible. Now, if I go towards the course, let me show you the course only so that you can see the how beautifully this course has been arranged. First, you will get the live practice classes. Once you open this particular folder, you will get the schedule. You will get the schedule wherein all the live classes are already scheduled. Now it's all about you joining the live classes. Okay, see, the live classes are about to start from 20th of September. We will first practice management and descriptive English. Management will happen in the slot of 7:30 to 10:30 in the morning, and then descriptive English will start in the evening slot. Okay, because the time right now very crunch, by which I mean time right now with us is very limited. We do not have unlimited time right now, by which I mean the more you practice with live classes, the better you become. So we are having two live classes in one day. We are having two live classes in one day, and mind you, all once you complete all these live classes, you will get a good hang of multiple of the components. Okay, so first management and descriptive English is there, then finance will start, then current affairs will also be there. Okay, and you will also get multiple of, I would say, what management practice writing, ESI practice writing, and I would say your English descriptive practice writing also. So this is already available on the course. You can download the schedule and you can see that how we will go with the live classes. You will also get important ski live classes, multiple of live classes which will help you to increase your score in the phase 2 of RBI Grade B exam. Okay, and yes, by mistake, if you miss any live class, don't worry, you will get the recording of it. So this was regarding the live classes. Okay, then you will get the full length mock test of RBI Grade B. Okay, as I have told you, 5 full length mock tests for all the papers. Okay, full length mock test for ESI, full length mock test for FM, and full length mock test for descriptive English. Like this, you will get multiple of the mock test. Okay, suppose if I open the mock test for FM, First, you will see the guidelines like how to appear for this mock test, and then we are providing you the objective component and then the descriptive component as well. Okay, because in your FM, first objective component will come and then the descriptive component will come, right? Same order has been followed in your ESI also. First, you have to read the guidelines, then you have to appear for the objective and descriptive test. Okay, and then if you see for English descriptive, which is completely descriptive, so we are not providing the objective component in it. We are rather providing you the full descriptive component to practice in the descriptive English component. Okay, so this was regarding the full length test. Then you can see weekly mentor talks. Weekly mentor talks are like motivation session which happens with the mentor. Okay, like Anchit sir will motivate you if you are feeling low, and he can also guide you that how you can increase your score. Then we are providing you current affair folder. Current affair will include all the magazines which are relevant. Then you are also getting finance and management crash course. If I open finance and management crash course, I will get chapter wise quizzes. For example, if I open any chapter, for example, leadership, I will get a summary sheet. You can download it. You will also get solve previous year questions of this particular chapter. You will also get descriptive model Q&A of this particular chapter and leadership quizzes also. So it's like one chapter has been provided to you in the best manner as possible. Now all you need to do is just practice after the live classes. See the live class, revise it, and make sure that you are able to attend maximum of the questions. This is what the funda of crash course is all about. Okay, and yes, the crash course will be little bit on a faster scale, like we will cover multiple topics in one day, but we will cover it in the best manner as possible. Okay, because this is a crash course, this is not a normal course, right? Okay, in ESI, which is your economic and social issues, again we are providing you summary sheet which you can download by clicking on the word attachment. Solve previous year question is also provided. Mind map is a very beautiful document, I would say. Like the whole chapter is provided in a kind of a graphical manner. Again, this is also downloadable. Okay, the whole chapter is provided in a kind of a full graphical manner so that you can revise this chapter within 5 to 10 minutes. Then we are also providing you the quiz and descriptive model and answer for each and every chapter. Okay, so as I have told you, this is a holistic course. If you want to join it, you are most welcome. Okay, then we are also providing you descriptive English as in like what are the good rules for essay, how to write a précis. So we have provided you the videos as well, and in certain components we are providing you the full length mock test which I have shown you already. Okay, so over here also we have provided you multiple of the documents which you can read and improve your score in the phase 2 course of RBI. And mind you, once you enroll in this particular course, make sure that you are able to revise with us, because the more you revise the better you become. Okay, so this was regarding my overall, I would say what this was regarding my overall presentation for our course, and currently we are running 63% off on this particular live crash course. If you want to join the family of EduTap with the help of this course, most welcome, but this is just one option. Okay, if you want to gain, if there are multiple courses, if you want to take it, it's totally your call. Okay, but if you join EduTap, it's surely a kind of a responsibility which the teacher feels that we have to give our best shot towards the students. Okay, so do remember the code is RBI 63. Once you go into the website, once you go on the website, use this particular course RBI 63 and you will be able to get 63% off on this particular course. Okay, so that's it from my end. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to get enroll in this course, most welcome, and I hope you all will do good in the phase 2 exam as well. So that's it from my end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye, take care, and have a good day ahead.